Choosing a carpet adhesive may sound simple, but there is actually a fair amount of nuance involved. The old joke in the flooring industry is that the only instruction you needed for carpet was fuzzy side up. And while that may have been slightly more accurate 60 years ago, times have definitely changed. Let's start by identifying whether you have a broadloom, which means a wide width roll of carpet, or whether you are working with carpet tiles. Broadloom is the traditional format for carpet that most commonly comes in 12-foot rolls. If you have a broadloom carpet project, we next need to identify what type of backing is on the carpet. This should be easily identifiable on the carpet products data sheet. You'll likely see something like action back, unitary, jute, urethane foam backed, or enhancer backed. There are more, so make sure you're correctly identifying what the backing is before selecting your adhesive. If you're installing outdoor carpet, Mapei's best adhesive is Ultrabond Eco 420. If you have a patterned carpet where you need to make sure the pattern lines up at the seams, our Ultrabond Eco 220 is a great option. This adhesive will allow you more open time to place the carpet and line up the pattern. If you're more interested in a quick turnaround, our Ultrabond Eco 185 adhesive is a fast-setting option that can be opened to traffic more quickly. You can find our floor covering installation system catalog on our website. This catalog contains a carpet adhesive selection guide that lists most of the common types of carpet backings and shows which adhesives can be used. If you have an interior carpet tile project, I can make this really simple for you. Ultrabond Eco 811. The biggest difference between broadloom carpet and carpet tiles is that broadloom is set into a wet adhesive. Carpet tiles, however, are set into a dry, pressure-sensitive adhesive. These types of adhesives have completely different chemistries and are not interchangeable. I warned you at the beginning that this is much more complicated than it may sound. So please don't hesitate to call us at 800-992-6273 for help in selecting the right carpet adhesive for your project. And you can always find more information online at our website.